Lance.
Barbara Thomas's first surgical maneuver. Take one.
Looks like you're cutting some overdone steak.
Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Oh my.
It's getting nasty yet?
Oh man, that's good.
Stop, watch me aim it.
It's deep.
Yeah.
I don't see any pus.
I don't see anything either. Hang on, we gotta get in there.
It's probably deep. Does it hurt then?
No.
Oh my god!
Oh, she was in.
I was in.
What do we got going?
Right now we got
It's
blood.
gonna shoot.
Just blood?
Well, it went through
How do you know?
because I could feel it. Oh my god, it's way open now. It's gotta open up.
Might be too deep to squeeze
Yeah,
out.
you're not squeezing properly. You gotta go wide. Go wide and deep. Go with the knuckles on the squeeze. Like way wide.
Oh my god, what the
No, don't do it good.
Oh, there we go. We have liftoff.
I guess we,
That's disgusting!
I guess we hit pay dirt, huh?
Oh!
Are you filming this, Steve?
Yeah. Oh! Oh! I get to see it all.
On YouTube, huh?
Oh! It's so. Oh! It's like soft serve ice cream.
So it's making you hungry, huh?
Oh, no way. Oh my god.
God.
Well, it was a successful operation.
You got some strong hands.
Whoa!
From this angle, man. The angle that you cut it.
Wow, this worked out nice.
Oh, there's more.
The reaction from the crowd was priceless.
Cougar Town, a brand new season begins this January.
There you go.
Very funny. Welcome aboard.
That's some gross ass shit. Ew.
Does it hurt?
No.
I think I have a couple of these on my ears. But I'm not gonna let you touch them.
Just clean the blade.
Oh!
It's our most
She's got like 5.
ever. Lisa, innovation that excites.
What
No.
is the biggest zit?
Oh my
keeps
god!
going. Where does it come from?
Medically, it's a sebaceous cyst.
Yeah, check
Well,
that
that's
out.
extra sebaceous.
It's bodacious and sebaceous.
Oh, it just keeps going.
And maybe we'll get it all out of there while you're in there.
Don't wipe it up. We gotta look at the whole.
I don't think we'll
The whole rag.
Oh my gosh, there's
Oh, watch it. Where's the towel? Come on now.
Sadie just ran away.
This is really fucking gross.